So my name is Pat Kempen from Dietetics, and today we are talking with our patient Charles, who's here. And Charles is a diabetic, and we need to be able to talk with Charles about his diet, how much he should be eating in order to control his blood sugar. And so that's why we use these food models. This is obviously blackberries, meant to be a cup of blackberries, a half a cup of asparagus, and so on and so forth. This is 2 to 3 ounces of fish. So it really gives a nice visual to the patients because it gets to be very confusing about how much they should be eating, how much things weigh, how much they measure out. And then using the MyPlate model, it's a really easy model for them to be able to understand in order to get a balanced diet every single day.
Hi, my name is Jamie McLean. I'm a dietetics student here at Mount Mary, and I'm going to show you portion sizes. So, to start off with, we need a cup of grains every day, which is going to be the size of a tennis ball or a baseball. Take a look at this pasta we have here. Doesn't that measure up? Beautiful. Next, I'm going to show you what a portion of protein looks like, meat or beans, and you can tell it by a deck of cards. So a deck of cards is 2 to 3 ounces, and if you take a look here, our fish kind of looks like the deck of cards, yeah? Now for the fun part. I'm going to show you salt and portion sizes. And I first want to start out with a can of Coca-Cola. Your normal 12-ounce can you get in that pack at the store. You would think one of these test tubes would be the sugar amount, but actually 2 test tubes are full of sugar in that can of Coca-Cola. Crazy, right? Now here's your average can of chicken noodle soup you'll buy at the store. Half a can. Check out the salt content in that. Now I'll show you a homemade can of soup. You gotta look through my test tubes here. 1 homemade bowl of soup. Wow, check out the difference. And 1 more here. Your average cookout on a nice summer day. 1 hot dog, a bag of chips, and a half cup of baked beans. Check out the salt intake. And we use all these examples to make it visual, give everybody a visual for how they should be eating and what they should be eating. Using our test tubes, our food portions, and even the MyPlate portion sizes. So everybody knows what they should be eating and how they should be eating. And I'd like to thank you all for joining us here at the Dietetics program. I hope you have a nice day.